The following video might not be suitable for everyone. Viewers' discretion is advised.
Hey man, you know where I watch?
We get to go to here. You see, anytime I keep an eye on us and I want fun and comedy, just show me live, viral, miss here.
Alright, viewers and subscribers, big up and respect to each and everyone. My name is Dancehall Skilla. I am here again. Now, in this video, I'm presenting to you videos that are out on social media, and these videos are out on social media where some persons find these videos to be funny, while some persons do not find these videos to be funny. You see me? Yeah, for a better explanation, when one person finds one video to be funny, others do not find the same video to be funny. You see me? Now, I'm presenting these videos to you so that you can have a look at these videos. You can also tell me what you think. And as I present each video to you, you can let me know if you think the video is funny or not. You see me? And as I'm presenting each video to you, I'm going to give the video a name. You know, I'm going to call the video a name so that you can use that name, or you could say use that title to tell me the video that you think is funny or not. You understand me? So I just presented a video to you, and I called that video A Man Who Makes the Sound of a Goat. You see me? You can let me know if you think that video is funny or not. You see me? Yeah, and in my point of view, I think that the video is funny. Not so much funny, but it's kind of funny to me. You see me? But anyways, I'm going to move on to another video right about now, and this video is going to show a person who said some things that gave me the understanding that he asked a person to use a shear and cut his hair according to how he wants it. You see me? I call this video a wicked hairstyle. You see me? Let me know if you think that this video is funny or not. You see me? Yeah, let me know if you think if it is funny or not. Alright? Alright, now here is the video. Take a look, listen, and observe.
We don't want it there.
If
You want it there, we are here where you want
right where you want it, we are
Club
put
on.
it.
Club. You need something, man?
I boss this in a
I in a younger.
Yeah, man, me know.
Them a man say here I grow too much in a fight, so I want to up your stuff. Ask him now. Think I may do it up on my own. I man, this the man say man, don't hire heights.
You're good, man. Just fix the sitting, man, and do it.
Club.
Viewers, subscribers, if I am the person cutting his hair, I would probably ask him 2, 3, 4, or 5 times if he's sure about the hairstyle that he's asking for. You see me? Cause me I make sure, you know. You see me? If I am a barber and if he came into my barber shop, I don't think I'm going to allow him to leave my barber shop with a hairstyle like that. You see me? I probably wouldn't even want to cut his hair. You understand? But you see, some of the times you can't order hair into, you know. Because some of the time you see fashion and style are one weird thing, you know. You might be surprised to know that this hairstyle might be the new trend. Now I'm going to move on to another video right about now, and this video is going to show a person walking on a road sidewalk, and the road sidewalk keeps getting smaller and smaller because of a fence and according to how the road sidewalk had been made or designed. You see me? Now something happened in this video that I'm about to present to you, but I'm not going to tell you. No, I'm not going to tell you what happened in this video. You see me? I'm going to present this video to you right about now, and you can let me know if you think what had happened in this video, if it is funny or not. You see me? You can let me know if you think this video is funny or not. You see me? You see me? And I called this video a bad road sidewalk to walk on. You see me? And before I present this video to you, this is a warning that some of the scenes might not be suitable for everyone. Viewer discretion is advised. Alright? You know, here is the video. Take a look, listen, and observe. viewers, subscribers, and a real, what had happened in that video, some persons on social media find it funny, but I don't think it is funny. You understand? That person could have got hurt. You get what I'm saying to you? And I hope that persons out there will learn something from this video, that you should be careful when you're walking out there on the road. Let me repeat it. You should be careful when you're out on the road. Whether you're walking or you're driving, be careful. You see me? And the sidewalk that I see the person walking on, in my point of view, that don't look like a sidewalk to me. That look like a ledge. You understand? Now the next video that I'm going to present to you, I called this video, Be Careful of Wood Fire. You see? Be careful of wood fire. This video is going to show a person using a wood fire. I am not sure if he's using it to cook or to boil tea or whatsoever, but this video shows the person using the wood fire for his purpose. You understand? Now something happened in this video, viewers and subscribers, and I'm not going to tell you what happened in this video, see me? But this video is out on social media where some persons found what had happened in this video to be funny, while some persons did not find what had happened in this video to be funny. You get what I'm saying to you? I'm going to present this video to you right about now, but before I present this video to you, this is a warning that some of the scenes in this video might not be suitable for everyone. Viewer discretion is advised, alright? And I hope that you might learn something from this video. You see what I'm saying to you? Yeah. Be careful when you're using wood fire. Take a look, listen, and observe.
Blood clot. Blood clot.
When you use wood fire like that, always wear shoes or slippers or something to protect your foot bottom, because some of the times the fire can spark and make a little pop. You see me? And a little piece of the fire can jump out and drop a ground and you step on it. It can hurt you. You see me? And you have to look out for those little pieces of fire will drop out of the wood fire, because it can burn down place too, So you have to be careful when you use wood fire. Wood fire is not a joking thing, You understand? We know some people in many countries out there, you see me, use wood fire on a daily basis. You see me? But at the same time, it is a dangerous thing, you see me? So you have to be careful when you use wood fire. You understand? Yeah, well, anyways, if you see anything else that seems to be a hazard in this video, you can let me know, you see me? And you can let me know if you think this video is funny or not. You see me? Some persons on social media find it funny, some persons did not find it funny. You see me? I didn't find it funny, really and truly. You see me? Yeah, but I just saw it up. But anyways, viewers and subscribers, I'm going to leave a video with you see me? And this video that I'm going to leave with you, in my point of view, what had happened in this video, I do not think it is something that genuinely happened, you see me? But however, this video is out on social media where, some persons find it funny, some persons did not find it funny, some persons find what had happened in this video to be something that happened for real and not something that had been made for entertainment purposes on social media or so on, you understand? This video shows a person doing electrical welding, like welding metals together, is what I'm saying to you. And I called this video a funny electrical welding accident, is what I'm saying to you. Yeah, so I hope you enjoyed the videos that I presented to you, my viewers and subscribers, and let me know what you think about the video that I'm about to present to you. You see me? Let me know if you enjoy this video or not. Let me know if you think this video is funny or not. Let me know if you think this video is of something that happened for real or not. You can let me know what you think overall about this video. And Yeah, so here's where I'm going to leave it. And until the next time, if you're new to my channel, don't be afraid to click the subscribe button. My name is Dancehall Skilla. Uno big up on yourself. You see it?
Hey, my youth, you know where you watch?
Dancehall Skilla.
Hear me now? Hey yo, Skilla. You are watching Dancehall Skilla Entertainment.